Alexa, what do you say when someone sneezes?
According to Mayo Clinic, over-the-counter medications include antihistamines and decongestants. Avoiding triggers, such as pollen or animal dander, may help control sneezing caused by allergies.
Alexa, what do you say when someone sneezes?
I don't know that one.
Alexa, what do you say when someone sneezes?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, what do you say when someone sneezes?
I don't know that.
Alexa, what do you say when someone sneezes?
Sorry.
Hey Google, what do you say when someone sneezes?
Here's a summary from the website todayifoundout.com. You are probably accustomed to hearing or saying "bless you" after someone sneezes. In Germany, it's polite to say Gesundheit after someone sneezes, which more or less means health.
What do you say when someone sneezes?
According to Wikipedia.org, in English-speaking countries, the common verbal response to another person's sneeze is bless you, or, less commonly in the United States, Gesundheit, the German word for health, and the response to sneezing in German-speaking countries.